Hi there, and welcome to Quick Revision Talk Through from me, the history tutor, and this time we're looking at AQA's conflict and tension between East and West topic, the Cold War. And we're going to look at the space race and how this shows an increasing tension as maybe the West starts to feel they're losing the arms race and space race to Russia's increasingly superior technology. So once you revise this, do take a look at my playlist and see if you can find some skills to develop. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right, let's go and revise. The space race begins in February 1947, with the USA sending the first living organisms into space. They'd stolen a Nazi V-2 rocket, and they put some fruit flies inside it and sent them to space. Wasn't a lot else happening in the space race until October 1957. This was because rocket technology was developing. But in this month, the USSR launched the first satellite into space, Sputnik. Then the USSR continued their success in the space race by sending the first animal into a space orbit. This was Laika the dog. The USA is losing the space race, hasn't really done much. But they do in December 1958 start to catch up. They send their first satellite into space. This is called Explorer 1, and it goes into an orbit around the Earth. However, they're about a year behind Russian technology. 1959, the USSR launches Luna 1. This is the first rocket to the Sun. USA responds with Pioneer 4, and this flies around the moon. Then in 1961, the first big victory goes to the USSR. They send the first human into space who comes back safely, Yuri Gagarin. In May 1961, the USA had their first space flight controlled by a pilot. This was a man called Alan Shepard. But it was clear America was losing the space race, and this suggests they're losing the arms race as well. Their missile technology is just not as good as the Russians. So in May 1961, John F. Kennedy promised a US man on the moon by the end of the decade. This was going to be the ultimate in winning the space race. America, in the short term, kept losing. June 1963, the Russians sent the first woman into space, Valentina Tereshkova. Eventually, the Americans, with huge amounts of investment, win the space race to the moon. July 1969, USA claimed victory in the space race with the first men on the moon. Famously, Neil Armstrong said, "It was one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The space race then started to develop in different ways. So April 1971, the Russians launched the first manned space station, Salyut 1, so they could have a more permanent presence in space. Perhaps because of the 1970s, budget cuts and also détente, the USA and USSR have their first joint space mission, Apollo-Soyuz. But in terms of the Cold War, how did the space race impact the Cold War? Well, the USA felt they were losing the space race and that the technology of the USSR was becoming more advanced, and this impacted rockets, as we'll find out next. So the USSR's technological success led to fear in America that the Russians had ICBMs that could carry nuclear warheads thousands of miles. The space race has also huge amounts of money and may have contributed to the development of détente as both sides started to run out of money. And the importance of space race is shown by the joint mission of 1975, representing a thaw in the Cold War as relations improved. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful. Do subscribe. Do take a look around my playlist. There's lots of help there. Maybe have a think about my revision guide as well. Well, hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.